Welcome to the Art of the Software Demo. This video is a practical guide to running demos that will help you turn prospects into partners, accelerate decisions, and close deals. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team.
Chapter 1 focuses on the foundation of discovery. First, state the number one problem first to articulate their core pain. Next, remember that discovery is non-negotiable. Research roles, workflows, and current tools before any meeting. Finally, confirm the specific pain points before you demo to avoid wasting time with a generic demo.
The pre-demo checklist is crucial. Populate realistic data, never open to a blank screen. Audit your setup by closing tabs, silencing notifications, and verifying network stability. Lastly, share a clear agenda beforehand to signal professionalism. Chapter 2 covers the high-impact demo structure. Follow the 60-30-10 rule. 60% on features that address pain, 30% on context and conversation, and 10% on next steps. Find the magic moment where the prospect sees their problem disappear. Remember, slides are support, not stars. The live product is the hero. Phase 1 is the hook, covering minutes 0 to 5. Open with their words, reflecting their stated pain. Present the why now by framing the urgency that makes solving this problem critical today. Set the ground rules for a two-way conversation, not a monologue. Phase 2, the value walkthrough, runs from minutes 8 to 15. Mirror their reality by using relevant integrations or industry data. Use the menu method to ask which area they want to explore first, keeping them engaged. Show the full journey from current pain to solved state, focusing on outcomes. Phase 3 is the closing from minutes 5 to 10. Show pricing proactively to remove friction and build trust. Define the next step with a specific agreed action. Secure a time-bound commitment using specificity to close the deal. Chapter 3, Mastering Engagement, includes leading with storytelling to build credibility. Make it interactive by sharing a sandbox link for prospects to explore independently. Always read the room. If they look lost, stop and ask questions instead of pushing through. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't fall into the feature list trap. Sell outcomes, not capabilities. Skip the technical deep dive unless your buyer is an engineer, focusing on business value and ROI. Finally, avoid the generic demo. Personalize every screen, name, and data point. Your demo is the bridge between interest and decision. Be a guide, mapping their future state, not just cataloging software functions. Take action now. Define next steps, lock in the timeline, and start solving their pain today.